Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mohit and you're watching Techstraya. Previously in my video, I talked about an overview and fundamental concepts about ChatGPT. This video is all about action and getting started with it. If at all you've used ChatGPT already, then you're either concerned or you're truly impressed with its capabilities. Honestly, I'm in love with it, and I use this on a regular basis for a variety of reasons. This is a new type of intelligence, and a lot of people are still confused. But don't worry, it's totally okay and normal to feel like that. Remember, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder, and this new AI-based language model has already started to help millions of users around the world. It's something that simply cannot be ignored. And the biggest tech giants have already started an AI war, and the competition has just begun. Google has announced its own chatbot by the name of Bard. Microsoft has introduced some new AI-based extensions to tackle this competition, and this is just the beginning. If you're wondering about a mobile app, then let me share that ChatGPT is not currently available as a standalone app on iOS or Android. At this stage, you can use this through an OpenAI website using a browser. It's compatible on all modern browsers like Safari, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, etc. Let me now explain in just a few simple steps how you can start using ChatGPT. And if you haven't done that already, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel to get all the latest technology updates as I'm uploading lots of videos. Setting up a ChatGPT account is simple, and you can create your account in just a few minutes. Let's interact with ChatGPT, and it's explained step by step from Techstraya. The first step involves creation of an OpenAI account to use ChatGPT. You can do this by visiting the OpenAI website at openai.com/blog/ChatGPT. As you can see on this webpage, OpenAI has trained this model using deep learning techniques to interact in a conversational manner and offers great advantages. Let's click on this Try ChatGPT button to get started. The second step involves you to either click on the Login button if you already have an existing account, or if you're just getting started, then let's click on the Sign Up button. Creation of the account involves you to enter your email address with a validation through your mobile number, and also allows you to log in via a Google or Microsoft account for a quicker sign-up process. Enter your email in the email address field and click Continue. And on the next screen, enter your password and click Continue. A verification link will be sent to your email address to validate your account. Access your email and click on Verify to validate your account. Fill in the required details like your first and last name and click Continue. Enter your mobile number to send the verification code, and then enter the code to proceed. Within seconds, ChatGPT platform would load, and you can begin your interaction with this advanced AI-based chatbot. Now, you can use this wonderful and intelligent program based on your requirements, and I'm going to share some examples to put this in perspective. School students, for instance, can use this to write a letter to become a newsreader. Once your query is posted, ChatGPT would start generating human-like responses and would provide you the details based on your basic requirement. University students can use this to write articles such as on quantum physics, and if required can ask follow-up questions to this chatbot. Medical students can use this to learn some important details related to their interest. It would give out detailed text-based response based on your entered query. Job aspirants can use ChatGPT to learn some interview cracking techniques, which can be really useful when you need to just consult someone. I'm pretty sure it's going to put a bit of a dent on lots of consultancy companies. Software programmers can now focus on complex tasks and leave some of the tasks to ChatGPT to do some coding on your behalf. It can be as simple as write a code in Python to calculate gross profit. Or another example can be write a code in C++ to add two numbers. Yet another example can be write a code in Java to add two matrix using multidimensional arrays. Businesses can ask for suggestions on sales promotion ideas to boost their business. Just like magic, ChatGPT is available at your service round the clock just when you need it. Now, I have one more thing. Best for the last. ChatGPT has been trained in a diverse range of texts in many different languages, including English, Spanish, Portuguese, French, Italian, and many more. This means it can respond to your queries in any of these languages, which is mind-boggling. A lot of people who have not used this are also wondering if it's free or paid. Well, after nearly 2 months of free usage, OpenAI has announced a subscription model for ChatGPT. Don't stress. Regular users would still be able to use it for free, thankfully. However, the paid version would offer some additional benefits. After all, it's business. And after such a successful launch that went viral, OpenAI definitely wanted to capitalize on it and wanted to monetize its model. To upgrade your ChatGPT, you can click on Upgrade to Plus from the left navigation pane, and with just $20 a month, you can take advantages of some additional functionalities. Because of its growing popularity, some users have reported that ChatGPT fails to provide responses when it reaches to its capacity, and users sometimes have to wait. Well, with this paid subscription, the users would still be able to access it even during peak times. Although the free version of ChatGPT provides pretty fast responses already, however, the ChatGPT Plus promises an even faster response. Other than this, there would be more features that would be offered with the ChatGPT Plus variant. I truly find ChatGPT magical and extraordinary. Leave your comments down below to share your thoughts about ChatGPT. I hope you enjoyed my demonstration and explanation in this video. And in my next video, I would be taking this to a whole new level. From tips and tricks to learning some advanced functionalities and things that you would enjoy even more. Stay tuned for my next upload that's coming out very soon. Till then, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, Techstraya.